how to turn off or on SIM to SMS delivery reports on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and now click this settings icon in the top corner, and now click messaging. Now scroll down until you find here is it sim 2. Now you can find here SMS delivery reports. You can turn it off or on easy and quick, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.